Volume 1. Hello, my lovely viewers. We're back in Southern Building Off-Roading, and there's a new update. Let's check it out. So here we have a new ATV and a new UTV. Let's check out the ATV first. Boop. And they've changed it with some of the ATVs and UTVs. Now you can access the winch. Anything that is around you, or you can winch onto, you can winch onto now. That's cool. It's a two-seater. I didn't even notice, but there's a back seat right there, like with the backrest and everything. But there's also a new sawmill. Let's go check that thing out. I'm kidding, you guys. I'm not gonna spoil the biggest things for first. I'm gonna spoil the biggest things for last. So let's go check out the thing that's over here. Actually, give me 1 second, guys. But yeah, this is the new bridge that got added to the game. It's beautiful. I like it. It actually got revamped. Right here it was just like a normal bridge, but now it got revamped to this thing. It's cool. I like it. But now we can check out this new UTV right here. And you can access this. You can do this. I'll move my thing. But yeah, you can access this now. Oh, come on. There it goes. Boop. Oh, yeah, it doesn't work like that. Anyways, you can access this now. This can go up and down the bed. As you can see, it's very cool. You cannot put a ATV or anything like that in the back because the ramps don't work for it, but I guess it's cool. This can fold down. Now we can go check out that new sawmill. Whoop. And here is the new sawmill. It's over here by the highway, so that's sick. It's not really a sawmill. It's more of like an obstacle course in the back. At least that's why I see it as. But yeah, there is these things you can just go over. Pretty fun, I guess. Whee! Owie. Hee. It's fun. I like it. You can just go over these, do some like off-roading things. Is there something back here? Nothing but logs. Let me just turn my vehicle around. Boop. Oh! I didn't even notice, but there's planks right here you can go over. Wait, did that just run over that stump right there? That's crazy. Yeah, there's these logs over here you can go over. Oh my gosh, they added so much. But yeah, I think that will be, hold on, I forgot to show you guys one more thing. But yeah, I forgot to show you guys this in my previous Southern Building Off-Roading update video. It's a little restaurant. I will not show you all of it. I will not show you all the stuff. And I just wanted to show you guys the outside because my phone feels like it's about to explode right now. But that'll be all for today's video. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Otherwise, see you on the next video. Peace out. Sound Gaming out. Y'all wonderful. You guys have a wonderful day, and you guys are wonderful people. Peace.